I will tell you now. To think of where you go is pretty important. Because to think of where you go should be a way to think of direction you need. I'd like you to focus upon thinking of direction which you need. What you have as a matter of direction, as for you to learn better, shall be a way to develop yourself as a being who wishes to carry out righteousness. People have tendency to have so many pieces of knowledge to satisfy their greed. Is it the right direction? It is not. As for you to think of shall be how you study a lot based upon position of integrity. I tell you now, with or without integrity, you have the totally different quality of learning and development.